What's up guys? Volkswagen Passat guys. Today we're gonna change pushrod on the bonnet, no? As you can see, pushrod bonnet, the hydraulic system of the pushrod, as you can see, leaking. So rather than every open and close, this gas type pushrod will leak hydraulic oil. Once the hydraulic oil is gone, then it will not stay on, like it will drop down. So it's also hard to push up. As you can see, it's start to leak. Pusher is kind of weak to push out the hole, no? So today we're gonna change this one since this is leaking pushrod. So we're gonna change. First thing first, we have these clips here, middle clip, and also here middle clips. So what you need to do is a picker. You need a picker. Just pry out this thing here. This is just a metal clip. Pocket screwdriver, maybe. But be very careful on this one because this will like fly around. Very hard to work with one hand, but check this out with one hand alone. And once you put in, just pull out this clip here, like that. So cover it with your thumb once you release this one because it will fly down. And then gonna do the same thing on the other side, down here. So you just take the clip off, middle clip, and then lock it in by hand so it can fly down. Like that. Okay. you need like these things or like a expander, because it's very hard to expand this stretch out this retainer pin without these things. You can see what I'm doing here. It's like you have to expand the tip opening of the retainer pin so it will pass and lock in place. This one, like this one, you have to expand like that. So you have to stretch out this in order to position the retainer pin like that. And once it's in position, you have to pull out. The opening of the retainer pin, and then you're gonna push, simply push like that, and that thing lock in place. It cannot be, it won't release anymore. So that's it. That's how you replace your pushrod. Also, if you have the manual type, you can also like modify it like this one here. The normal bonnet has the small bar here. Bonnet stand, it's called bonnet stand. The bonnet, it will just open it, and it will like open steady on the desired height that you want to open bonnet. It doesn't go down, as you can see. Good on, but you have to apply force to pull it out. Okay. There's no leak. This is good. This is good. Okay. adjuster. Like to level up the bonnet when you close it.